What are the opportunities with all this open data for media companies? And tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing and more generally what the opportunities might be.
Well, I think that the release of open data just provides a whole new playing field on which businesses can be developed. Also, on which journalism can be developed. So, freedom of information, the release of government data means that citizens can start to actually find out. They sort of get, I suppose they get sort of the unmediated data, and we can build new services that may never have been built before simply because the data was locked away in a government department. Some of the hacks and demos that have been done on the government data store are truly amazing, and I just think it's just going to unleash some really great innovation and hopefully some business opportunities as well.
It's almost like the old days where shipping logs and other government prices were published at first and the media business grew.
Yeah.
It's sort of this...
Absolutely.
Do you think this is perhaps a point?
Yeah, I think the opportunities lie beyond just publishing of data, but actually adding value to the data and building new services. So whereas previously you could maybe build a business on republishing data, there are more exciting and innovative things you can do by actually using data to provide services in a new way. Yeah, it's fantastic.
And as far as the new API, that's for Guardian content, but it's also for other data that you're making available?
So last year we launched the open platform. There were two APIs. There was an API for all the content of the Guardian, about 10 years worth of that, everything we published online. You don't just get the content, you get all of our metadata, our rich tagging as well. And then alongside that was a data store, which was the raw data behind the news that we are constantly releasing new data sets into. And just last week, the data we released was all of our politics database that we've been powering the site on for the last few general elections. We made all of that data open as well, and we're hoping that that'll help us as an organisation during the upcoming election campaign in terms of being able to innovate more easily, but also maybe it will provide some interesting news stories as well.